everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a red ribbon in honor of National Red Ribbon Week. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Say No to Drugs red ribbon, let's begin with our ribbon. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to make a line that's going to come down with a little bit of a curve. So we're just going to draw this line down, and then we're going to curve it over to here. Up here, we're going to make a line that comes straight across. Then we're going to do the exact same thing. We're just going to come down and curve it so that both sides look the same. Now right across the bottom, let's make a little zigzag pattern. So we're just going to go down and up all the way across in a nice little zigzag. Now at the top of our ribbon, we want to draw a little pin so we can pin it on something. So let's start right here. We're going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around, and then we're just going to come down to the very top. So you can see I started inside and then drew around to the top. In this little curve part, we're going to make a little line, and then we're going to put a little black dot right there at the top. In here, let's add a 1 and 2 little curved lines so it looks like it's pinned into something. Now I want to make a little face on my red ribbon. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin with a little circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and then let's make another circle for an eye right over here. Inside of each one, we're going to make a little circle for the pupil. And then we're going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Next, we're going to make a little smile at the top. And then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up here. We'll make a sad face at the bottom of the mouth, and that'll be the tongue. And then go ahead and color in everything else right above the tongue. Now there's so many things you can write on here inside of your red ribbon. So I'm just going to go and keep it simple, and I'm going to write just say no, and I'm going to put no in big letters right here. And there you go, there is your drawing of your little cartoon red ribbon in honor of Red Ribbon Week. Now there's lots of other things you guys could add to this, and you can even just draw your own ribbon and put your own little sayings on there. But I just wanted to do something simple. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.